Hello everyone, welcome back to Spoken English. This is Dr. R.S. Maurya. Guys, today we'll have another chapter, that is seminar on communication skills. We'll go on telling so many skills, but today I want to focus on only this point, a willing communicator. What is a willing communicator? And what are the qualities of a willing communicator? So communication means obviously that it is a signaling that you want to convey something to someone, and your speech must be heard by to whom you are intended to convey. And when your speech goes there and it is understood, it is called communication. From one end to another end, if the speech flows fluently and it is understood, received, this is called communication. So today I am talking about willing communicator. Who wants to communicate is called a willing communicator. Willing communicator means he is willing to communicate. So first is ability to connect people. That willing communicator must have ability to connect people. Ability to connect people. Ability to connect people means that he must be clever enough to connect the people for speech, for the subject, the stuff which you want to convey. So he must be a man to connect the people. He may be a man with a quality to connect the people easily, quite easily, connecting people. So that is the first quality, that he may have power of his speech or the attraction of his speech, so that he can connect the people. So that is one feature, connect the people. And the second is observe things, and this fellow must be a good observer. Here he can observe people, things and ideas very, very, very closely. So that a willing communicator must have this power, that he should have observing power. He could observe, and better observer can describe in a very detailed manner. So he must be a good observer. And the third point is let his presence be felt. He should be of good personality, and his presence should be felt, that everyone should feel that here is a one good speaker, he is speaking. So his presence should be felt. His presence should be felt. Presence should be felt. He should be not a presence should be felt. उसकी उपस्थिति महसूस की जाए, ताकि वो बहुत अच्छा वक्ता है, उसकी उपस्थिति महसूस की जाए. तो ये थर्ड क्वालिटी हुआ. और चौथी क्वालिटी हुआ एन आई फॉर थिंग्स, and special eye for the things he is observing. A special eye means that he has a special power to grasp the things which others cannot. So that he should have a minute power of observation. He should have minute power of observation. तो बारीकी से कोई चीज़ देख सके. और डोंट अडॉप्ट. और इसके बाद जो है जो चौथी पांचवी क्वालिटी है कि उसका अपना एक अंदाज होना चाहिए. तो डोंट अडॉप्ट अदर्स आइडेंटिटी. डोंट अडॉप्ट अदर्स आइडेंटिटी. आप बोल रहे हो तो आप जो है किसी की आवाज़ नहीं बोल रहे, जैसे अमिताभ बच्चन की तरह बोल रहे हो या अमीन साहनी जैसा बोल, ऐसा नहीं करो. क्योंकि आप एक ऐसे व्यक्ति हो जिसकी आवाज़ जो है आपको ही किसी से मिलती नहीं. यू आर यूनिक. और ऐसा आपको नहीं लगना चाहिए कि हम बोल रहे हैं तो खराब बोल रहे हैं. दैट इज़ नॉट थिंग. यू हैव योर ओन वॉइस. डोंट कंपेयर with others. Don't feel inferior. Don't feel a kind of prestige in imitating others. Imitation जो है उसका कोई मतलब नहीं होता. आप हो और अपने जैसे रहो. तो डोंट अडॉप्ट अदर्स आइडेंटिटी. दूसरे की आइडेंटिटी से अच्छा नहीं है जीना. जैसे आपको कोई अमिताभ बच्चन बोले या अमीन साहनी बोले, ये ठीक नहीं है. आपको अपना नाम लेकर बोले, आप अपने ढंग से बात कीजिए. तो ये चीज़ होनी चाहिए एक विलिंग कम्युनिकेटर में. और गेट इनटू द हैबिट ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन. इसके बाद है हैबिट ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन. हैबिट ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन, ये बोलने की आदत होनी चाहिए. यू शुड हैव ए हैबिट ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन. कहीं भी आप बोले ना, यू शुड फॉर्म ए हैबिट. गो इनटू द हैबिट ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन. whatever you have in your mind, whatever you have in your heart must come to your speech very easily. So you must go into the habit of expressing yourself. That is another quality. And then one more quality is there. Don't let opportunity pass by. Willing communicator never miss opportunity. जैसे आपको बोलने का चांस मिला तो यू डोंट मिस इट. यू मस्ट अवेल ऑफ दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी. गो टू द स्टेज एंड स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग. पीपल विल लाइक योर स्पीच एंड देन यू विल डेवलप ए कॉन्फिडेंस that is unique to yourself. You will develop confidence by doing that. And last is and trust yourself. Now, 7th point is trust yourself. Believe in me. अपने पर विश्वास करो, दूसरे पर नहीं. आप किसी जैसे यू ट्रस्ट कि हम बोल सकते हैं और आई कैन स्पीक और आई कैन स्पीक इट वेल एंड आई कैन स्पीक ओवर द पीपल. सी डोंट मिसट्रस्ट योरसेल्फ. बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ दैट यू कैन. इफ अदर्स कैन, व्हाई यू कैन नॉट? So this is the problem. Trust yourself that you can speak, you can speak. So guys, these were the qualities I have told. It is the quality of a willing communicator, a communicator who wants to convey something to you. That is all for today. We'll continue this series, seminar on communication. And then again I will discuss on persuasive skill. कैसे परसुएट करते हैं आदमी को. परसुएसिंग स्किल कैसी होती है, इस पर डिस्कस करेंगे. तो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.